Hi everyone, this is Miss Joelle. I am here to show you how to find books that are in our library from home or from any sort of device that connects to the internet. So you'll want to start by going to the lbschools.net homepage. Under student, you will go to your student portal. Now obviously I don't have a student portal, so I'm going to go to my employee portal. Once you're in your portal, it will actually look like this. It will ask you to log in. Once you're logged in, yours is going to look differently than mine. It will have this little search bar, and you're going to type in the word Destiny. Destiny is our library computer system. Once you log in, you're going to come over here and you're going to find Renaissance. Once you are in Renaissance, it looks like you're ready to go, but you actually still have to log in. So you're going to come log in. Yours will look a little bit differently than mine, but you'll just use your regular username and password. Okay? Once you're logged in, yours won't look like that. Yours will look like this. So it'll pop up and it'll look like this. Now, you can just directly start typing in the names of books, authors, keywords, whatever you want, right? So if you wanted a book about dogs, you could just search and type that keyword, and you can see we have 37 books that have the word dog in like either the title or the synopsis, right? So you can search by word. You can search by title. So if I wanted The Sun is Also a Star, I could go ahead and search. Now I can see that we have this title, but if you look over here, it will tell you if it is available or not. So if the book is not available, it probably means that it was checked out or that it has been lost. So that will show you that we do have the book that you're looking for. You can also search by author, so you could type in an author's name. Sometimes if the book I'm looking for, if the title doesn't come up, I'll search by author, and sometimes for some reason that'll trigger something different. So don't give up the first time if it doesn't show up when you type the title. So try the author too. But I want to show you another way that you can search for books, because sometimes you don't know the exact book that you're looking for. So if you are looking for a book and you maybe just know like the genre of book that you want, you can come over here to our copy categories. Now, not gonna lie, I have not set them all up yet, but I am working on it. So in the next few weeks, hopefully they will all be full. But you go ahead and click on copy categories, and what it's going to show you is it's going to show you these different genres. These are genres that I chose that I thought you might be interested in. So you can see that I've already finished the books in Spanish section. We have 163 books, right? I have not finished any of the other sections yet, so I will start filling those. But basically the way it's going to work is if you wanted either a book in Spanish, historical fiction, whatever, you go ahead and click on the type of book, and then you're going to see a list of all the books in that category. So you can literally scroll through now. These are obviously the books in Spanish, and you can go ahead and look through them. If you wanted to look closer at one, you can go ahead and just click on the title. So if you go ahead and click on the title, sometimes there'll be a little description here of what the book's about. Sometimes there won't be. So that can help you get a little bit more information. So I hope that is helpful. The only other thing that I do want to show you on here is when you go navigating, sometimes this back arrow will log you out of everything. So just make sure that if the back arrow does that, when you sign back in, try not to use the back arrow and just use these. So if you want to go back to the very beginning, go to library search. If you want to get out of copy categories, you just go back to basic. Okay, so you can kind of flip back and forth between those two. So anyway, I hope that is helpful. We will talk about more details on how to find books during your orientation in the library. See you soon.